It's LO. Wait 1 second. So we were watching on my YouTube video on fireworks, and then we just got a notification that these people called Noah and Liz subscribed to us. Shout out to you guys for subscribing us. You guys are awesome.
Yes. So we're gonna show you how to make these cool little rubber band bracelets.
Lachlan can do double. I can't. So
these are mine. I made this one earlier. I also made. Can you show them the one I made you too earlier? It's chunky.
It's a chunky guy.
They're little friend bracelets.
Shout outs to Noah and Liz.
So we're gonna do a really fun surprise at the end of this YouTube video.
Make sure you watch to the end, Noah and Liz.
And all of you guys watching.
All of the other people. Wait 1 sec. Make sure to watch to the end, Noah and Liz.
Oh! Okay, so now we're gonna show you how to.
I'm still excited. Like I was thinking.
I have this big messy palette.
I still can't believe that we got a new subscriber.
Okay, so
thank you, Noah and Liz. Thank you so much.
So if you have these, get 4 colors right now. So get 4 rubber bands to start with.
So you need these like any kind of like short rubber bands that look like this. You know, like sometimes you can use them for like ponytails, pigtails. Just grab like 4 of those right now.
Yeah, and then we'll get
started. Can we do them single? Because double is harder. Well, we'll do a part 2 on how to do double.
You can show them, and I'll show them double. Okay.
Well, they might know how to do double. Okay. So this is my color. I have orange. So what you do is you stretch it and you twist it, and then you put it on your 2 fingers like this, so it looks twisted. Yep. Then after that, you grab another one. So I'm gonna grab this gray one or pink peach, and you wrap it around like this. So this is what it will look like. 1 second. This is what it will look like. One twisted one not twisted. Then you grab the one that you first put on that's twisted, and you bring it over like that. And you do that to the other side too. So I'm gonna grab this one, bring it over. See, now we got the first one. And you keep repeating that until you're done. And after this, we'll do a part 2 on how to put, like connect them.
Well, I'll just show you.
Yeah, because I don't know how to connect them. Now, just keep practicing that. You can replay it if you want to. Noah and Liz, hope you don't know how to do this because we're showing you right now. All right, now do you want to do a time lapse of us doing it?
I'm pretty sure Liz knows how to though.
Yeah, maybe not Noah. Noah's young. I looked at their channel and
you guys
Noah's
have pretty good videos though.
Yeah, we looked at them.
Maybe we'll subscribe to you guys too.
Should we do that?
Yeah,
they would be happy. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna subscribe to you right now. Okay, Noah and Liz, we subscribe to you and we turn post notifications on. Make sure you turn post notifications on to us because we're about to post this video.
Yep. So this is how you do a chunky one. So you
remember when your mom did that TikTok?
Yeah.
Come on, let's get to it. So now you want to show them to do the double, and then we can do time lapse?
So first, so you know how you do this one. You only do one crisscross.
Like this.
So you only do one crisscross.
Like you did for mine, one crisscross.
And then for the next
you gotta
two,
show them like in the camera.
And then for the next 2, since like
camera's right there.
Since like he did just one, you take 2.
Noah, I hope you learn how to do this, young Noah.
And then you take 2. Let me just find one that's not tangled. So and then you take 2, put them over. You bring
so show them in the camera. Look.
Then you
bring both of them
over. And
if you don't know how to do double, you can watch it again, or you can teach it again in the other video. If you can't do it, then we'll just.
Okay, now we're gonna do a time lapse.
This is what it will look like.
Yeah, or this, or
so
these
I'll do.
guys.
Do you want to do chunky or what?
I'm gonna do chunky for time lapse.
I'm gonna do these skinny. So.
Yeah, if you know when.
What kind of music do you want? Do you want fire or thrill? Go.
Hi guys, so we made
Hi, Noah and Liz. Why did you say Noah and Liz? We're finished.
Yeah, Noah and Liz.
But you're not recording.
Oh, sorry. Why did I do that?
Okay, guys. Hope you liked the video.
Now we're gonna go get our fashion.
Well, we're gonna go.
watching our video.
Yep.
We really
love
like
you.
Yeah, Noah, Liz.
Thanks for
thank
watching
you.
these beautiful bottles
Okay,
here.
let's do our power up. Everyone put their hands together. Oliver, can you put your...
I can't. Oh.
So, this is mine. Hey guys, subscribe, like, and...
Thank you for watching.
Bye. Show you
Share.
and share.
Hello out.